Good day, ladies and gentlemen, brothers, akhi, sisters, how are you? Today we're going to make something special for you. It's called chicken giblets. I'm going to put this one over here so you can see what's going on. Hopefully it's right on the spot. Okay, so we've got the oil in the pan. I'm going to tell you the ingredients really quickly so we understand. It is a very famous dish that normally you can go into Asian countries, India, Pakistan, in Arab world as well, and you can find them over there very easily. It's a chicken giblets, whatever you might call them. And so these ones over here, I've actually cut them, cleaned them, and I will show you the consistency. Make sure so I'll show you how I've cut them. You see I've made slits into them, and they're alright to go. Okay, I've got some onions over here, sliced thin slices. I've got some chilies over here. Oil I've just put inside, warming up now. This is how you check the oil. A little bit of water, that means it's good to go. You want to see some fire? Give me 1 second. What you need is a little bit of oil from any of the pickles. Mixed pickle is best. I use Shan pickles, not Hyderabadi, but I normally use Shan. Garlic and ginger paste. This is Australia's the best one you can find over here. Ginger and garlic paste. This is what you need. You need a stir. You need some Lebanese yogurt with this one. This is going to be brothy. This is going to be like a runny. It's going to be shorbatun. It's going to be shorba. It's going to be like a broth. You know, shorba in Arabic they say broth. Need some spices. Again, I use Shan spices. It's a mix of different spices. You've got coriander, you've got cumin, you've got garam masala, you've got hot powder, you've got chili powder, all these things. You've got the cloves all grinded and mixed into it. This is for chicken. We need a little bit of turmeric, and we need some cumin seeds. Let's start with the fire. What I want you to do, rinse the giblets properly. No wait. I'm making a video, man. Can you come out, please? Okay. Once you've got the fire up and going, this guy was scared. He's of Iran. His name is Jafar. Jafar, you're gonna be on YouTube, brother. Okay. We put this one. Onions. Okay, once you've got that running, it happens when somebody who doesn't know how to cook and you show this thing to them, they're like, they go in la la land, you know what I mean? It's fine. We need some malah, which is salt. Okay. What you will normally do is, because the giblets, they take a lot of time to cook, to get tender and soft, you know what I mean? It takes like 15-20 minutes, and you're going to put a lid on them. You're going to cook them slowly. The best thing to do is you add water to it and simmer them. That's how you cook the giblets, you know what I mean? Now, first thing, because you see the color, it's brown, ginger and garlic paste, a good quantity, that should be enough. Whisk it. Okay. Why I did this? It was not a show off. When you put, you know, the oil and you put something like a wet thing in it, if it's boiling oil, it will make fire. What it does when the fire comes on top, it charcoals it. So if you don't have a charcoal at your place, if you don't have those spurs and you don't have charcoal, that's the best thing to do it, you know what I mean? It will give you that smoky flavor. This is what you're looking for, especially in giblets. And whether it's liver, whether it's necks, chicken necks, giblets, you want to do that. Okay. In goes the chili. The green chili, I use green chili because it's really, it's got a flavor to it. You know what I mean? So, okay, that's all done. Why this one? Because when the oil, it will actually dry later on, so you'll have little oil. With the pickle oil, the mixed pickle oil, it will give it the flavor as well. Because it's got carrots, it's got chili, it's got all the other herbs in it. What you do is, I actually pour it drop by drop, like this. Just run it through, and not too much. So it gives a little bit of flavor to it. Giblets, you really want the flavor to go into the giblets. I've got a little bit of, as I said, the curry, the powder, the curry powder has got cumin, all these things in it. So sprinkle it, not too much, don't overdo it. Sprinkle it a little bit. Okay. I want you to understand, every animal, every meat has a different cooking procedure and timing, and every vegetable, whether it's onions, whether it's ginger and garlic, whether it's the masalas, the salt, the cumin, you know, whatever it is, the parsley, the thyme, everything cooks at its own time. So you need to understand timing on it. Looks good. Now add some salt into it, not too much. Okay. With the same hand, don't waste this salt on the right hand. Put it inside. With water, let's add some water. I think probably 4 times I added. Okay. That's all done. I've never used this one before. It's actually sweet soy sauce. I've seen it on the video, but I'll give it a miss this time. If you want to put it, just put it little. Oh, it's not open, so I'll leave it like that. You know what I mean? You've got the turmeric. Just sprinkle over here. I actually made a little bit of, it was cracked from here, so you know it comes out from there, so that's how I put it. You know, it makes it easy for me. Makes it easy for me. We're gonna go with some fresh cumin. Just sprinkle it. top, a little bit more. That's it. Okay. Now is the step when we put the yogurt. Before doing that, take a good spoon of our lovely yogurt over here. Put in the middle over here. Make sure you don't waste anything. I love this thing. Okay. Coming back, stir it. Now you'll see it's got that color that we're looking for. For that color, we're going to simmer it a little bit more. I'm going to show it to you real quick. Okay, I'm going to put it back over here. Now we're going to add some water and let it sit for 20 minutes. Make sure you stir it. When it comes to a boil, you're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer. This is perfectly fine, and I'll see you in 20 minutes. Yalla.